Click on the link below to get price. The Apple 2024 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M3 chip is a remarkable advancement in the realm of portable computing. Right from the unboxing experience, it's evident that Apple has put thought into every detail. The sleek design and lightweight build make it incredibly portable, perfect for on-the-go professionals or students. Powered by the new M3 chip, this laptop offers a significant performance boost compared to its predecessors. Whether you're multitasking with multiple applications, editing videos, or running demanding software, the M3 chip handles it all smoothly without a hitch. The efficiency gains are also noteworthy. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 18 hours on a single charge, which is a game changer for those who need to work away from a power outlet. The Retina display on the MacBook Air is stunning, boasting vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming movies, editing photos, or browsing the web, the visuals are crystal clear, with excellent brightness levels that make it usable even in direct sunlight. Apple's Magic Keyboard remains a highlight, offering a comfortable typing experience with good travel and responsiveness. Coupled with the spacious trackpad, navigation feels natural and intuitive. The inclusion of Touch ID enhances security while providing convenient access to your device. Another standout feature is macOS Sonoma, which comes pre-installed. It integrates seamlessly with the hardware, allowing users to take full advantage of features like Stage Manager for multitasking and enhanced privacy tools. The ecosystem compatibility with other Apple devices enhances productivity, making tasks like file sharing and device handoff effortless. While the price point is higher than some competitors, the build quality, performance, and overall user experience justify the investment. For anyone in search of a premium, reliable laptop, the Apple 2024 MacBook Air with M3 chip stands out as an excellent choice, blending power and portability in a sleek package.